Amazing Vaseline hacks for reducing wrinkles on your face. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad you're here because today we will be sharing some amazing Vaseline hacks for reducing wrinkles on your face. Tired of expensive wrinkle creams that promise a lot but deliver little? What if one affordable product could transform your skincare game? In this video, we'll show you the amazing ways Vaseline can help reduce wrinkles. Simple hacks for a radiant, youthful look. Vaseline isn't just for dry lips or cuts, it's a powerful skincare tool. Its occlusive properties keep moisture locked in, ensuring your skin stays hydrated. Hydrated skin looks plumper and smoother, helping minimize the appearance of fine lines. Plus, using Vaseline is wallet-friendly and accessible. Before bed, start with a clean, dry face. Apply a thin layer of Vaseline to areas prone to wrinkles, like around the eyes, mouth and forehead. While you sleep, Vaseline creates a barrier that traps hydration, allowing your skin to repair and look refreshed by morning. Pair Vaseline with a quick facial massage for added benefits. Warm a small amount of Vaseline in your hands and gently massage it into your skin using upward, circular motions. This technique stimulates blood flow, enhancing elasticity and reducing the prominence of fine lines. Take your Vaseline routine up a notch by mixing it with a drop of vitamin E oil. Vitamin E is a potent antioxidant that helps combat aging. Together, they create a powerful duo to keep your skin nourished, smooth and glowing. Apply nightly for gradual yet noticeable results. Use Vaseline as the final step in your skincare routine. After applying serums or moisturizers, dab a small amount of Vaseline to seal everything in. This method ensures your products penetrate deeply while keeping your skin hydrated and wrinkle-free throughout the night. Don't forget about your lips. Mix Vaseline with a touch of honey to create a nourishing anti-aging lip balm. Apply it regularly to soften fine lines around your mouth and achieve smooth, youthful lips. It's a perfect on-the-go skincare hack for busy days. While Vaseline hacks are amazing, they aren't overnight miracles. Consistency is essential to seeing improvements. Incorporate these tricks into your skincare routine, and you'll gradually notice smoother, more youthful-looking skin. Keep at it and let your natural beauty shine. Now that you know these amazing Vaseline hacks, it's time to put them into action. Like, share and subscribe for more easy DIY tutorials that help you look and feel your best. Transform your skincare routine without breaking the bank. Your skin deserves this glow up. Start today and share your results with us.